Okay, so you guys, please concentrate. First day of nursing school, post-coronavirus over here. I'm very excited, guys. I'm going back to my nursing school to pursue my career. My straightforward career, which is a health profession. I love this very, very much. Yes, and if you're a very long hand of mine, you know that I was a nursing student. Then when Corona came, I started vlogging all these other content that you love most. But yes, this is a moment to me that I wanted to record and put on camera. I'm going back to my nursing school today, 3rd of March. This is what I'm wearing. Inside, I'm wearing this white t-shirt. By the way, it's long sleeved. Maybe I'll show you throughout the vlog at school and all that. I'm also having this amazing sweater over here. I'm a sweater lover, you guys. I love sweaters, as you see. And down, I'm having this pair of blue pants. Actually, they are skinny pants, and this pair of moccasins. Actually, they are brown over here. Yes, you guys just excuse my background, but I'm just very, very happy that I'm going back to school. Education means a lot to me. I know without education, even I wouldn't have moved this amazing content from where it was to where it is right now. But yes, let me head out, and I move to school right now. Guys, please remember to have your water. I have my 1-liter bottle water over here. I'm going with this at school today. I'm heading to town. I don't have my tripod with me, but I'm heading to town right now. I have some things to be buying. Right now I'm in the washrooms for my nursing school. So let's go. Okay? Okay.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead.
So hi guys, finally back home. As you see, it is shining. Let me first show you my view. Can you see how bright it is up here? Just moving right now to home. So today has been Friday. Yes, today has been Friday, and on Monday it's a public holiday, so I'm having a very long weekend. But it has been such a wonderful day. That's the only thing I can say. Yes, it has been such a wonderful day. Finally back home. I cannot believe that even I'm back home, you know. But yes, I'm back. I have a lot of things, by the way, to be doing. I have to be doing laundry, I have editing, a lot of things waiting for me. We are going for a very simple photo shoot before actually I enter into the house. So I'm having my niece coming over here in a minute to take some of my pictures. Hopefully I'm going to be showing you the back scene, behind the scenes, yes, as she takes my pictures and all that. But let me first put you guys down here. Okay, so you guys, I hope that there you can see us very well. So I'm using my mother's phone. She's going to use my mother's phone to take my pictures, and I'm using my phone currently to have this behind the scene clip. Okay, you guys, we have both beans over here. The kilogram was 4,000 Ugandan shillings. Yes, we have only bought 1.5 kilograms over here. We have also bought 2 kilograms of sugar over here. Yes, 2 kilograms of sugar. Each kilogram was 3,000. Yes. We bought a sachet of toilet papers. This was, I think, 14,000 Ugandan shillings. I'll try to leave everything on the screen in the dollar currency. We also bought so you guys, we also bought 2 kilograms of rice. These ones I think were 25 so I'll also try to leave the converted dollar shillings and dollar currency on the screen. And hot meal over here. Hot meal, they resemble, I think, rosemary, something like that. And I also bought some tomatoes for just 2,000 Ugandan shillings over here. And lastly, we bought rim. This is for my sister, of course, who is in primary 6, going back to school. This was, I think, 16,000 Ugandan shillings. And we also bought this pair of squeezer or brush at 5,000 Ugandan shillings. And ndagala, I don't know how they call ndagala in English, but we use these ones to prepare our local food. Matoke, these ones we have for 1,000 Ugandan shillings. Yes, I think that's all, guys, we did buy. Okay, guys, I am moving out again. We are going to the hospital real quick up here. Some of my siblings are sick, so we are going to see if we can get some treatment for cough and flu and a rash. Yes, so let's go. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Whenever I say that word, I just feel like I've been going for so long, and it is actually just 3 days. By the way, if you hear any kind of rain in the background, it is drizzling or trying to rain right now, but that's fine. This was actually my first week and day, of course, on my dancing school after almost a year of not studying. It was such an amazing time meeting up with my friends, talking about a lot of things. There are people I had not seen in a year. There are people who I had not seen in 6 months. There are people who I just saw in around June of last year, 2020. But all of them, I was very happy that they had come to school, back into studies and all that other good stuff. But all tea aside, I want to end up this vlog with a mini haul. Yes, I did move to Nabukela Plaza, as you have seen throughout the video. And I did grab some pants over here, and of course I did show these pants on my Instagram stories. I think, guys, you did see them. By the way, if you're not following me on my Instagram, please try to follow me there, because you'll always be the first person to know when I have something new or something I literally want to tell you guys. So let me get where to pop the camera, and hopefully I show you how these pants look like. 2 pair of pants. I have this one and this one. Both of them were 20,000 Ugandan shillings. That's around $4, and in euros that's around €3. So I have the black one and the navy blue one over here. Let me first of all see how the black one looks. Let me first unbox it and we see. Yes, actually this is how it looks over here. I love the black with the white kind of dots. Are they dots, guys? Can you see this? They are not dots, but I think they are intercolored, if that makes sense. So this is how tall it is over here. This is how tall it is. If you don't know, I'm a 31 in the waist person, according to the pair of pants I always buy within Uganda, which are shipped from China. I'm 31, so this is how it looks over here. I'm gonna be popping on this, and hopefully you guys, you tell me what you think of it. So you guys, this is how actually they do look on me over here. I think actually you can see very well. This is the back, this is the front over here. I feel like this is my perfect kind of fitting, if that makes sense, when it comes to pants. Let me try to put down the camera a little bit for you guys to see. They are a little bit stretchy, you know, this stretching katini, but this is how they do look over here. They just need a little bit of belt going on, but I love this very much, you know. I feel like it fits me very well, which I love about my pants, you know. I'm in for this, you know. So guys, can you see me there very well? This is the second one over here. This one is a navy blue. Is it navy blue or deep blue? I'm not very certain. Let me get it out for you guys to also judge for yourselves. This is how actually it does look. Yes, it looks like this. I feel like its blue is not very deep blue, and it's not very navy blue. Let me know in the comment section below how you would call this blue over here. But yes, this is how actually it does look. Let me first show it to you over here before I pop it on. This is the front and this is the back. I love very much the fact that it has these strips, not strips, but obukondo. I don't know how they call obukondo in English, but I love the fact that here there are these two. And actually also on this one, I think it also has two. Oh, actually this one has only one kakondo over here for the belt. You guys, it is on, as you see over here. I feel like today or one of these days, as I mature up, I do understand the size of my waist very well, which I'm happy about. This time around I picked out pants that actually they fit me very well, because I used to pick out 30, and always 30s, they always give me hard time, and I had to give them out to my, you know, younger brother. But this time around 31, I think right now I'm very comfortable where I am. Like it is my size. And recently I also did stand on a weighing scale for my school, and my weight is around 60 kilograms. Yes, around I think 60 net kilograms. So I think I'm comfortable with myself and my body and this pair of pants over here. And this one actually, it also looks very nice. Let me know you guys in the comment section below what you do think of this and this one. So you guys, I actually want to end up this vlog by saying a very big thank you to every person who supports me, who continues to support me, who continues to water my channel with a lot of support, likes, commenting, subscriptions, and all that other stuff. I'm in for it. Thank you very much. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And to all the women, girls, sisters, mothers, and all those other people who are females, I love you very much from the bottom of my heart. I want to wish you a very wonderful, guys. I don't know if you can open my heart, but I want to wish you the best Women's Day ever. I believe in you. I know that you can do even far more better than what even you do think of. Thank you very much for watching. Tanya Nishai switching out. Bye for now.